Hello students, how are you all? I welcome you all in your maths video class. So children, I hope you are fit and fine. Children, today we are going to start chapter number 12, Geometry. Geometry is a part of, you can say, one branch of arithmetic, and it is concerned with properties of space that related to with shapes, okay, distance, size. These are all called geometry. And in other way, or in other word, we can tell this geometer. Okay, so this is called geometry. Geometry is a arithmetic का एक पार्ट है और जिसमें आपको डिस्टेंस, शेप, साइज ये सब पढ़ने को मिलेंगे. In your book, there are given shapes. So we will study about shapes in this video. So children, as you all know, in your previous classes, you have already done the fundamental shapes. Okay, so what are our fundamental shapes? First of all, we have learned about triangle. Okay, this is triangle. Okay children, and as we all know, this is called triangle. It's having 3 corners. Okay, now square. This is also very general and fundamental shape, that is a square. Okay, now the next fundamental shape is rectangle. Okay, this is rectangle. Okay, this is rectangle, and the last shape is circle. Okay, this is circle. So children, we have studied about, we have already learned about geometrical shapes. So I am going to show you these shapes in a model. Okay, I am going to demonstrate these shapes. This is triangle. Okay, okay children, this is triangle. This is a square. Okay, this is square. This is rectangle. Okay, now this is circle. These shapes we have already done. Now children, we are going to study about these shapes in detail. Okay, in detail it means we are going to describe a shape first. Okay, now after that you can able to understand what is this mean. Okay, so children, let's start with the triangle. Triangle, the figure represent, this figure is represent triangle. Okay, this figure is represent triangle, and triangle has 3 sides. 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Okay, so a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Now here children, these corners are called vertices. Okay, so children, a triangle named by its vertex. Okay, so I am going to write the detailed description on the board children about triangle. Okay, so children, here the figure represent a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. 3 sides, okay, and 3 vertices, and 3 vertex. It means corners. Corners. A triangle named by its vertex. Now children, this is the description of triangle. Now again I am going to tell you. So this is triangle and it's having three sides, 1, 2 and 3, and it's having three corners, that is called vertex. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So here children, the vertex will be start from A to B. Okay. So this is triangle and this is, I am going to draw over here. So this is triangle, and here children you can see that I am going to show that how can we see this triangle with vertex. So here children, A, B, C. So there are three vertex, A, B and C. Or children, this is the corners are called vertex. Vertex. Okay, the corners are called vertex and this is called side. This side is called side. Sides. So here children, a triangle has three sides and three vertex. So how can we measure like this? So we will, this figure represent triangle and ABC, its vertex are AB and CD's sides are AB, BC and AC. AB, BC and AC. These are the sides. Okay. So we will AB, BC and AC. These are the sides. So we will represent this triangle like this. Okay. So it's having three sides, three vertex. Okay. So this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. Three vertex are called A, B and C, and we will represent this triangle with the sides AB, BC and AC. Okay. So this is triangle. Now children, we are going to study about square. Our next shape is square. Okay. So children, we are going to draw first a square. Okay. So this is a square. Okay children, this is square. This is square. I am going to show you square also. This is a square. Now children, here you can see this figure, this shape, it is represents square. Now a square has how many sides? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And how many vertices are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है? जितने sides हैं उतनी vertex हैं. So this is sides. This is sides and these are vertex. Okay? These are vertex. So the corners are called vertex. So children, I am going to write the detail of this shape, square. So children, write it down. A square has 4 sides. Okay, 4 vertex. Okay, there are 4 sides, 4 vertex and 2 diagonals. How can we see this diagonal? So if we will divide this square in 2 equal parts, this is called diagonal. This is called diagonal, children. So here children, you can see diagonal. This is called diagonal. Okay. So this line which are divided into two parts of this equally two parts, that is called diagonal. अगर कोई टेढ़ी लाइन हम स्क्वायर में खींचते हैं तो it will become diagonal. So here children, four vertex and two diagonals and two diagonals. This is the description of this square shape. Now how can we represent this square? So ABCD. AB, so we will represent this square. I am going to draw again AB. So this is AB children, the center line of this or the edge line of this square is AB, then DC, okay, C and D. So children, and this we will represent like this AB, okay, AB, BC, okay, CD and AD. ठीक है? So this is the sides. These are the sides. So here children, you can see these are the sides, and if this is the diagonal. So here children, you can see this is 1 and 2. So there are two diagonals. Okay, there are two diagonals in a square. So children, this is your, all sides of the square are equal. This is an important feature of square. Each sides are equal. If we will measure this shape, this figure of a square, so you can find each side of this square are equal. इसकी सारी side क्या है? बिल्कुल equally distributed हैं. Okay children. So the important feature of square is the four sides are equal. Okay children. This is an important feature of square. So, and the diagonal is represent AC. So we will represent this square is represent CD and AD, or you can write in the simple way ABCD. So this is the simple way to describe this shape. This is square. Okay children, so this is square, and now we are going to study about rectangle. Okay children, so complete it or write it down in your, or draw this in your copy. Now children, after that we are going to start our next shape or next figure, geometrical figure is rectangle. Okay, rectangle children, this is rectangle. Now children, rectangle, here you can see the rectangle has, I am going to draw also. Here children, you can see, just like in a square, it's having four sides. But the problem you can see, these sides are equal and these sides are equal. So यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये वाली साइड जो है वो एक दूसरे के बराबर है और ये वाली साइड एक दूसरे के बराबर है. इसकी कंपैरिजन में ये साइड ज़्यादा छोटे हैं. But a rectangle has four sides. Okay, it has four vertex and four sides. The vertex as you all know children, this is called vertex. So here 4 vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here you can see these are sides. There are 4 sides also, but the feature of this square is quite different because this shape, it's having 4 sides, it's having 4 vertex, but the difference is these sides are equal and these sides are equal. ये दोनों की जो लंबाई है वो ये दोनों सेम है और इधर ये दोनों सेम है. स्क्वायर में क्या था कि चारों आपके जो साइड्स थे वो इक्वली थे, मतलब उनमें कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं था. लेकिन इसमें क्या है, इसमें आपको अलग इसका अगर आप इसको मेजर करेंगे तो इट विल बी डिफरेंट. सो चिल्ड्रन, the other side or opposite side of the rectangle are equal. So children, I am going to write few things about rectangle. So here it has 4 vertex and 4 sides. It has 4 vertex and 4 sides, okay, and here you can see this figure represent, here you can see, and it's also having 2 diagonals. 2 diagonals, here also you can see 2 diagonal. So we will write, so side 2 diagonals, 2 diagonals also you can see, and this is represent like AB and here DC. So here children you can see AB and DC. So we will write like this, AB and CD are equal. So we will write like this, and AD and BC are equal. So AC is the diagonal of rectangle, AC is the diagonal of rectangle, and the other side you can measure as a BD. Okay, the name the other diagonal is AC diagonal of rectangle, and the other diagonal is, you can see, B and D. So this is the description of rectangle. Okay children, so you just write it down in your copy or complete this. Okay, complete this. Now again I will show you that this is rectangle and it's having 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides and 4 corners or 4 vertex you can say, and here the diagonal you can see there is a diagonal also. So this is considered as A and C. Okay, so 2 diagonals are there and it is considered as a and C, and the other diagonal is B and D. So children, completed. Now children, after that we are going to discuss about our next shape, that is circle. Okay, that is circle. Okay children, now here this is circle and this is, you can say this is a curve shaped. Okay, so this figure is represent circle, and here circle is a curved. Circle is a curved. घूमा हुआ, इट इज़ सर्कल, ये गोल है। और इसके बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स आप अपने घर में भी देख सकते हैं। योर मदर इज मेकिंग चपातीज, यू कैन सी इट्स सर्कल, okay, many shapes you can see. Okay, so this is circle, and here you can see the 0 point of this circle, this is center. Okay, so the circle is curved and it's having a center, and this center is you can say 0 is the center of this circle. So 0 is the center of the circle and it's having a curve, and we can divide it into many parts equally. So curved, we can say half curved, these are the things we can do. So this is circle. Okay children. So children, as the activity is given in your book, that is drawing shapes. You have to draw first the shapes, and triangles can be made with the help of the matchstick. So you just collect some matchstick and draw the shape of triangle, children. And triangles can also be made by the keeping a wooden or plastic triangular block or sandwich on a piece of paper and moving a pencil along its edge as shown below. So this is all you can see over here. It is shown over here that you can draw a shape with the help of the matchstick. Here you can see triangle, okay, diagonals also drawn over here or made with the help of matchsticks. So this is your activity to complete this. Okay, so we can do in our class activity, and as homework you can also complete this with the matchstick, with the adding these matchstick in a straight line. Then we will just move here and then here, and this is triangle. It's quite easy. You can use this making this edge, this corner, this side with 2 sticks, matchsticks, and here 2 sticks, and here 2 matchsticks. With the help of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 matchsticks, you can make a triangle. And here children, with the help of your pencil, you can draw, you can take help with any object which is in triangle, and here you can see the sandwich is given over here and the child is drawing a triangle. Sandwich maker अगर आपके घर में है तो आप जब सैंडविच बनाते हैं तो वो एक शेप में कट जाता है, दैट इज ट्रायंगल. अगर स्क्वायर को हम डायगोनल कर देते हैं तो इट यू कैन सी देयर आर 2 ट्रायंगल. सो ऐसे ही आप करके चीज़ों को बना सकते हैं. तो ये आपकी एक एक्टिविटी है एंड इसको कंप्लीट करना होगा क्योंकि हमें इसमें आगे बढ़ना है. सो वी विल डिस्कस मोर अबाउट दिस चैप्टर इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो चिल्ड्रन. So we will learn how to draw the shapes with the help of the other object, and after that we will do some folding, paper folding activity, and after that we will use of dot paper, and then we will do some activity on that and use of geoboard also. This we will discuss. So children, we will meet again in our next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.